Making sense of conjunctions, the glue of English sentences. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on the fascinating world of English grammar. Today, we're going to explore an essential piece of the English language puzzle, conjunctions. You might be thinking, what are conjunctions? Well, by the end of this video, you'll not only know what they are, but also how to use them correctly. So, let's start at the very beginning. What is a conjunction? In English grammar, a conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases, or clauses together. They're a bit like the glue holding our sentences together. Without conjunctions, our sentences would feel choppy and disconnected. Examples of conjunctions include words like and, but, or so, yet, for, nor. For example, in the sentence, I want to go to the park, but it's raining, but is acting as a conjunction. Now that we know what a conjunction is, let's delve a bit deeper. There are three main types of conjunctions in English: coordinating, subordinating, and correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions. These are probably the ones you're most familiar with. They include and, but, or so, yet, for, nor. These conjunctions connect words, phrases, or clauses of equal rank. Subordinating conjunctions. These include words like because, although, while, as, etc. They are used to connect a main or independent clause and a subordinate or dependent clause. Correlative conjunctions. These work in pairs to connect words or phrases of equal importance. Examples are either, or, neither, nor, both, and not only, but also. Despite their importance, conjunctions are often misused. A common mistake is to use a comma instead of a conjunction between two independent clauses, which leads to a comma splice. For example, I love ice cream, I eat it every day. This should be, I love ice cream, and I eat it every day. Another mistake is using the wrong type of conjunction. For example, but, and, although, may seem similar, but they are used differently. I want to go to the park, but it's raining, versus, I want to go to the park, although it's raining. Conjunctions, while small, are mighty tools in English grammar. They allow our sentences to flow smoothly and our ideas to connect seamlessly. Remember, it's crucial to choose the right conjunction to convey the correct relationship between your ideas. Keep practicing, and you'll be a conjunction master in no time. That's it for today's video. I hope this explanation of conjunctions has been helpful and clarified some of your doubts. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more videos on grammar fundamentals, and as always, keep learning.